welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our homes. Again, don't forget that we try and fail, however we never fail to try. Now keep cooking until you become a pro in cooking. Anyway, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and share the video. Today we are cooking pap, cabbage. Again, I repeated the same menu. If you look at our previous videos, this menu is already there. And malana and maotwana. Again, a disclaimer: if you don't eat chicken intestines, please don't watch this video because it's a sensitive content. There will be a space whereby we are actually removing all the dirtiness from the intestine. So if you are a sensitive eater, please family, get out of this video now, like now. Anyway, you know what, you're the bundu girl. This is what we eat in our northern province side of the country of South Africa, okay? Yes, it doesn't know. I asked for assistance. They said, Munyana, sit down and we'll do the cleaning for you, as I was busy cooking up and other things. Ke namolawa ke khela onion ke a kgabelela onion krina bona dikolo be di tswaletse wa tsa re ile hae. It's during school holidays, we all went home. You know, it's that time of the year. So, you know, when you are at home, yeah, something like that. So, and I'm with my cousins, I'm with a whole big bunch of people, okay? So, we are cooking and with a very big pot. Anyway, ke namala ke chopa onion, ke khabella onion. Wa tsa lo go haibana seta sa ka re seta sa chweni because re berekile a re khutshi. You never rest when you are at home because everyone wants to eat. Mudimu kore ho busy re tswa ka bobe rape ya bobe furu ke namela ke tshela onion e la ka ile re ke chopile ke tshela ka ra saucepan ke tshela ka ra poto, then ke tshetse le mafuranyana ona le mafuranyana ke le tope and ke grate carrot ya ka. You know what, everything in this house is just le grater, it's not sharp enough to be sharpening my carrots anyway, but we are not complaining. Ke namola with cooking oil. Remember, I'm not a chef, so the measurements maybe they are coming out of my head. So don't say, so many, yes, you can say it. I mean, in this content, I don't have a problem with criticism, advice, and everything. Actually, feel free to criticize, comment. And what is this word? Cheerleader kind of vibes and everything. So ke namela ke tshela carrot ya ka, grated carrot ya ka gara saucepan ke rape ya cabbage. We are going to cook cabbage. Ke namela ke ya le bontsha wa ke ya ko stove. I'm going to the stove to put it there. That is my shoe. Mapaku re di bitsa mapaku Crocs, but this one are Hamburg Crocs. Yeah, because they don't have aroma and it's not a train smash. The same way that you are dating a girl who doesn't have a wig or a boy doesn't have money. I'm just saying. Let's get back to it. Raja, the yellow one. Raja ke a chela. Remember, with our previous video, I said there are two ways of cooking. A little bit of vinegar because it's hard to keep the meat longer. So remember, I said that there are different types of cooking this intestines. The first type of intestines, cooking, you can either cook them aside with cooking oil, or secondly, you can cook your maotwana first, your chicken feet first, and while they are ready, you put your intestines. That's the way I'll be doing it today. So ke namela ke chopa cabbage. Listen, wa bona mpaka one, this knife, it's not knifing. I'm literally using all my body parts to cut this cabbage at this point in time because it's not sharp enough. Guys, if I tell you that my spine was on duty, my ears were on duty, everything was on duty, my sister, you will not believe me. Everything was on duty. So hey. Kuro azar king. Kikiro beche ke la pile. Ka baka la tiba. Anyway, I don't complain. Mara ke complain. I mean what? So ke namela ke ya fries. A ke re be ke di beile carrot ke mixitse le onion ra fries. Le na ba mpuditse re la ya cabbage ka metsi. Ke le lebeletse Excel jaune. Ke dilo le bolale. So don't cook cabbage ka metsi. Cabbage ke le butse ka reng a e bothata se relationship e ya cabbage ha ina me ya lapisha wa ikusha cabbage ke ntwe soft marshmallow man dilo ja ka speed dilo ja boleta dilo ja go tlhoka energy so ke mola ke tshetse mafura ka ke tshetse cabbage ke thomotla le yona jalo wena wa e bona go rawa dilo di a batamela relationship e la ya o taka le a lukisha wa bona re cabbage ba jong gape o apeile o thoma bona dilo ja go di tlhakana e ra rawa le relationship ina le hope wa ikushisha so skala lose hope is that's why we try and fail but we never fail to try. I get uroku ka peke o tlo tswa ga botse you did your best. I'm just saying are boeleng back to the food content. Ke mala ke a tlhakantsha ke ke a lelwela ape ke tlhakantsha re taba tsa o di loke o tlhakantsha cabbage ngwenyana ka o apea le wena o tlhakantsha di loke ka re toela o tlhakantsha bya lwa la palla go tlhakantsha dijo ke mala ke tshela letswai ya bana aromat tshela letswai mara ka tabarakela ka tshela letswai nyana shili lawa ke le tshetse ka re turmeric. Okay, why I like turmeric? Skala re ke ntsi, it's not a lot per se because this cabbage is actually more. The thing is my camera is a bit closer. It was almost full. Yeah, the cabbage was almost full. So turmeric it doesn't have that burning sensation like to the gastritis because of spices. It's a chilled spice and usually we use it for color. Because I wanted my cabbage to be yellow, I didn't put raja. Raja ifunya ka cabbage be yellow chela turmeric raja itlogele okay ke namana ke a tlhakantsha wa lwena wa bona hore wa mothola ha wa promise so ka mola on the other side ke sana le maotwana ke sana le chicken feet. They are coming all right. I wanted to cut the nails because nothing is sharp in this. The knife is not sharp, the scissors is not sharp, so I was like what's that again omlo motale bana go ranche dinala a cut dinala before a lokela bobe ka ganong a cut dinala before a so a cut manala ke nna molawa bampa pija ba re sse di tsena ganthe. This maize meal is off. I don't know by regular guy. I don't know where did they buy this maize meal. It is so disobedient. If I tell you that I struggled up until I said to my cousin, dude, stop the camera and help me. We literally stopped the camera and she put another because I was seeing flames. Besides, I'm not really good with pap, especially cooking them bigger pots. Off camera, skisa, you didn't see the part where I was putting intestines. I actually cooked them alongside the chicken feet, but my chicken feet were already quarter two. We understand that. So remember not to put them all at the same time because says utlo jaga soap utla no kwa ka monkgora wa malana ona ka mo mara ka selelatso ke mola wa bogobe bo fedile. We are done cooking pap. Remember, we don't cook pap the same way. I always say comment down below umpotsa gore na wena bogobe re no bo apea jwa ke mola ke a botshola ke with us re a bo shatola bogobe. So I don't know but we do this kind of pap balls. I call them pap balls because there's no perfect word for them. For this, okay? Ke maka kumara a ke tsebe ene ke le botsa ka re comment down below so that ke bolele sego so le sa comment nna ka se bolele sego ile nka stop. So ke mala ke a bo shatola ke a bo re dira so that we share nice, all right? Here ka se we dira so others will take more pap than others. So the best way to do, you take a bowl, Bible. Okay? Good famies. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. And suggest what type of meals would you like to see on this channel. So as we are moving on, look at the color is coloring. Listen, we are going to eat nice. I always say it may not make sense, but trust me, we are going to eat nice. Listen, he may not know whether he's going or he's not going around you, like you could wanna like how would like this person is not telling you whether mara keep moving. Be one of the good days I'm just saying. So ke nna ke a tshola ke a le nna shebo se utswitse la bona una le sopo dijo ke sopo lena ba mpuditse gore a le chele sopo. And unfortunately this time around sopo e injile ka matsogong, like it's too, but because of we are many they're my uncles, everyone. So pele I dukuluile plate. I'm petty. I get in a I dukuluile plate. So pele I fitile Dubai. So pele ba re fitlhe mosha mawatle. So pele I go Italy. Anyway, thank you for watching. The meal was very nice. Thank you for watching, famies, and continue to watch, continue to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. I bless your family, I bless your children. May you continue to rise, may you continue to shine, and may you continue to believe in yourself. Remember, we try and fail, however we never fail to try. Until we meet again, bye, family.